Alright, so this is gonna be my first vlog, and I'm just getting ready right now for getting ready to go out. I'm gonna go get advised for my subjects next semester, and let's see how this day goes. Now, a lot of you may ask why I've started the vlog. Well, the thing is, I've always wanted to chronicle whatever happens in my day, just so I have something to look back on. And yeah, right now I'm looking for some socks.
Recording?
Yeah, I am.
No, you are already?
No, I am. I really.
This is technically the first real vlog clip.
Where are we now?
We're in the middle of traffic on the way to UP Town Center.
This traffic.
Take note, UP Town Center is probably what, like 3 minutes away, and we're in traffic. I don't want to do this, bro. Are we really gonna do this? Are we
slapping days? Finna get paid. Money make paper, shit, 7 screens swerving up in the States. We cannot deal with no petty stakes. Risk take, have a sake. Trucks that know base ain't referring to 808s. We gon' be fussing with heavy K. Extra eyes. We can come straight with.
So Casey and I are in a race. There we go! Here we go! Here we go, boy!
so close?
Casey just lost 4 times, bro. I mean, no. At least you're taller naman.
At least I'm not a sore loser, you know. I don't brag.
Bust it straight out the kitchen. Bust it straight out the kitchen. Bust it straight out the kitchen.
Trap.
Straight out the kitchen. Bust it 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 straight out the kitchen.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Ain't slapping days. Finna get paid. Money make paper, shit, 7 screens swerving up.
So what you just saw was our boredom.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. We have nothing else to do.
But you know, we ballin', not saying.
Oh my god, look. It's MAC. I should really go and replace my lipstick. Oh my god, look, it's MAC. The eyeliner and then, you know, oh my god.
Look at this guy, man. What's happening? Kali, what are you doing? Kali.
And if I know you, I know what you do. You love me at once, the way you did once upon I love Disney movies. Girls, holla at me, I'm single. Hashtag lit.
You might not know this.
0915.
Hey, Jeff.
My boy Jeff.
What's up, Jeff?
My boy Jeff.
Celebrating Christmas. Hey, what's up? You're supposed to scare Jeff. It didn't work.
Pepperoni pizza. Let's go inside.
I was working, making paper. Oh, yeah.
I'm living my life.
Casey and I, well, the boys and I actually, we found a little spot. It's dark inside. We're trying to have a little photo shoot. Hope no one catches us. It's really sketchy. Let's go.
Okay, I'm gonna take photos. See you in a while.
We just got done. Casey and I were so nervous. PURNS was looking out for us.
So was I.
There was like a guard
Yeah.
that we thought caught us, but apparently he just came from the store, so we're fine.
Yeah. Jeff was our light man. Thanks, PURNS. Thanks, guys. Okay, let's get out of here before, you know, people start thinking we're suspect or sketchy.
Yes.
Thanks, guys.
AK-47 on each chick.
There's traffic, and we're going inside a car. Yeah. To a party.
So far, but it's not
I love it.
Okay, so we're in the car. We're on our way to our vlog Christmas party. I'm vlogging with Casey's actually holding the camera.
Look at that. Where's that light? Where's that light? Oh, there it is.
And look at how cramped we are in this space. It's pretty bad.
So look,
I'm here. Go
While
away.
everyone is singing Caroline.
Okay, so see you there at the party.
Huh?
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells time and jingle bell time. Dancing.
We're here at my blockmate's house, trying to. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey. Yeah, we're having a dinner party. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Steering the other is something you thought. Hey, hey, yeah! Hey, 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 yeah! Hey, 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 yeah! Ooh, there's something about the way she moves. So every one of my blockmates are having fun singing this independent over there. I don't know what's happening. This is only one place, but I don't know if you can still hear me. It's so noisy. Lakas mo boy ah! Boyfriend na siya!
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Some people want it all, but I don't want it all.
Your feet is 1, 2, 3, 5. Make you fall in love with me. Guys, Kali's leaving. Bye, Kali. Bye, Kali. Bye, guys. Bye, Kali. Oh my God, Kali. I have to vlog everything because walang context. Huh? Just like that, the party is finished, or well, I left it. Huh, Sir Tom. Hi, Sir Tom. Tara. I think it's time to go home. Whew. So I'm back home. And wow, what a great day. A lot happened. I didn't expect the day to turn out the way it did, but it was so fun. It was the most fun I've had with my blockmates in a while, and I kind of lost my voice. Yeah, thank you JD for the house and for the great party, and to all my blockmates, thank you. You guys are so fun. And also, I want to thank you the one who's watching right now, thank you for finishing 15 minutes or like 30 minutes of my life, of my day. I just hope to see you real soon. Bye.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
My name is Miguel. I'm the fifth
What the heck, man?
of the Broskies, and I missed the entire day.
I'll see you guys later until I vlog again.
Peace.